Question 1. The doctor recommended a new treatment plan for the patient's chronic condition. Question 2. She made a conscious decision to pursue a career in environmental science. Question 3. The architect designed a modern building with innovative features and materials. Question 4. The ceremony was quite memorable with beautiful decorations and touching speeches. Question 5. He felt anxious about the upcoming job interview at the technology company. Question 6. The library has an extensive collection of rare books from the medieval period. Question 7. The marathon runner completed the race despite challenging weather conditions. Question 8. She demonstrated remarkable skill in solving complex mathematical equations. Question 9. The school organized a fundraiser to support underprivileged children in the community. Question 10. The scientists' research contributed significantly to our understanding of genetics. Question 11. The musician performed a beautiful symphony that moved the audience to tears. Question 12. He tried to convince his friends to join the volunteer program at the hospital. Question 13. The weather forecast predicted heavy rainfall for the entire weekend ahead. Question 14. The talented artist created magnificent sculptures using recycled materials and tools. Question 15. She felt privileged to work with such experienced professionals in her field. Question 16. The company organized a conference to discuss new marketing strategies and goals. Question 17. The detective examined all the available evidence to solve the mysterious case. Question 18. The student council meetings are held every Thursday after school hours. Question 19. The chef prepared a delicious meal using fresh ingredients from the garden. Question 20. She demonstrated patience while teaching her younger brother how to ride a bicycle. Question 21. The authorities launched an investigation into the suspicious activities in the neighborhood. Question 22. The photographer captured stunning images of wildlife during her expedition to Africa. Question 23. The museum exhibit displayed fascinating artifacts from ancient civilizations around the world. Question 24. He wrote a compelling story about friendship and loyalty during wartime. Question 25. The volunteers worked tirelessly to clean up the park after the storm damage.